This is a video demonstration of Nexlog data collector. As you can see, this is a standard data collector with a built-in barcode reader on top. So we'll start the demonstration by launching the application. As you can see, we need a login, password, and a station to access the website. We're logging as Miami and we're doing a shipment to São Paulo. So on the top left side, we have the menu divided between shipment, receiving, and actions you can do in the cargo. So we'll start by clicking open route in the shipment. We're going to search for today's. We're going to select the flight, and we're going to confirm opening it. So we're going to start the shipment by reading one of the volumes that we want to ship. As you can see, we have now one volume of 5 kilograms and the airway bill on top. One of the actions that we can do in the shipment is sign all cargoes on hand by airway bill. What this one does is, as soon as you read one of the volumes, it already assigns all volumes of that given airway bill. So although we only read 2, there's 3 assigned to the flight. We'll continue the process by scanning one of the volumes in which the destination is Santiago. This flight is only Miami-São Paulo. However, we are assigning one volume that is going to Santiago. So as you can see, we have a different sound and it's in a different color to give a warning to the user that this is not the final destination of this particular volume. We'll finish the shipment by clicking on Sync. On the top side, we have Close Route and Set Equipment, which is basically selecting the tail number of the aircraft that will operate the flight. We click on Sync, and that's done in the data collector. So now we have to do the final steps on Nexlog. So we search for the shipment. In the actions, we have view assigned cargo. So as you can see, these are the 2 airway bills that we just signed. So we're going to close this one, and we're going to finalize the shipment by setting it as per format, which is basically setting the flight as departure. So now that we have done the shipment, we'll do the receiving also in the collector. We're going to log as São Paulo, we're going to sign in. Same process, we'll go in the menu, and now we're going to open the route for the receiving. We're going to search for it, we select it, we open it, and now we're going to do the receiving. So as you can see, one of the boxes that we just received is badly damaged, in which the tag is torn, so we cannot read it through there. So we're going to do the receiving as a damage, and we're going to click in the tag number, and we're going to manually enter the tag number because we cannot read it through the barcode reader because the tag is torn. So we manually enter the tag number. We continue the process. As you can see, we're starting the process of receiving a damaged good. Next step is to assign a picture to this particular damaged good. We'll take a picture of the volume. We confirm it. And now we'll continue the process by clicking on the V on the top right side of the application. So as you can see, the next step is a note, a free text that we can write, and then we save the damaged good. So continuing the process, we are now going to receive this volume to Santiago. We're not going to receive these 2, we're going to set this one as missing. So we're going to receive the one from Santiago. As you can see, we also have a warning because this is not the final destination of this airway bill. And we have another one here. This one was not in the manifest. However, it was found in the flight, so we're going to receive it. So as you can see in the application, we have 3 icons. The first one indicating that this was received with damage. Second one, that it was received although this is not the final destination of the cargo. The third one, which is a cargo found. So as you can see, all of these have different icons. So we're going to finalize the receiving. As you can see, the top 2 are okay. The third one we have to confirm so that the checkbox at the end becomes a V. So we're going to close the route and we're going to sync the receiving. Again, that's the whole process in the collector. So now we're going to see how that was reflected on Nexlog. So as you can see, we're going to search for the receiving. In actions, we're going to see view received cargoes. These are the ones we received. In the tab missing, we can see the 2 that we did not receive. We're going to close this, and we're going to see attached documents. Through here, we can see every single attached document in the receiving, including the damaged good that we just took the picture from. And here's the picture of the damaged good. And that's it for the presentation. Thank you.